Hi everyone. Welcome back to Active USA Ride Waves, your go-to destination for everything on two wheels, from highway rippers to custom cruisers. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's roll into today's deep dive, because what we've got for you is something that blends classic style, modern engineering, and head-turning design all in one factory custom package of the 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. Now, when you think Royal Enfield, your mind might jump to the retro-styled classic 350 or the rugged Himalayan, but the Shotgun 650 is different. It's a bobber, a factory custom bobber, to be exact, and it's like nothing Royal Enfield has done before. It's bold, muscular, minimal, and unapologetically rebellious. If you've ever wanted a bike that looks like it was built just for you right off the assembly line, this might be it. So, what makes the Shotgun 650 so unique? For starters, it's based on the same 648cc parallel twin platform that's earned Enfield plenty of love through the Interceptor and the Continental GT, but here, that engine gets wrapped in a whole new attitude, a low-slung chassis, chopped fenders, mid-mounted controls, and that stretched-out bobber stance make it unmistakably different. You've got to see it in person to really get the feel, but we'll break it all down for you in this video. Let's talk looks first. The Shotgun 650 stands out like a rebel in a room full of conformists. The tank is teardrop-shaped, sculpted perfectly to blend into the solo seat that hovers above a floating rear fender. The wide handlebars give it a commanding street presence. And that paint, oh man. From the bright, psychedelic plasma blue to the moody sheet metal gray, this bike knows how to wear a coat. It's not chrome-heavy, which is a good thing for a modern bobber. Instead, it relies on matte blacks, brushed metal, and just the right touch of polish to keep things classy without going full glam. And here's where it gets really cool. The Shotgun 650 comes with a modular seat setup. What does that mean? You can ride solo with that clean bobber look, or throw on a pillion seat and take a friend along. The subframe is cleverly designed so that it supports multiple seat configurations. You're not just buying a bike, you're buying an adaptable piece of your lifestyle. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, you're working with Royal Enfield's tried and tested 648cc air and oil-cooled parallel twin engine. This motor puts out around 47 horsepower at 7,250 revolutions per minute and 52.3 Newton-meters of torque at 5,650 revolutions per minute. Now, those numbers aren't earth-shattering, but that's not the point here. This isn't a sport bike or a quarter-mile monster. This is a cruiser with punchy, usable torque that makes city riding and weekend highway blasts feel effortless. And it sounds absolutely amazing, thanks to that throaty exhaust note that's tuned just right, a bass-heavy but not obnoxious. Speaking of exhausts, the Shotgun features shorter, slash-cut twin pipes that look like they came right off a custom build. They sit neatly on either side of the bike and enhance that low, aggressive stance. This bike is built for attitude, and when you fire it up, it lets you know it's ready to ride. The suspension setup is another area where Royal Enfield stepped up. You've got 43mm show a big piston upside-down forks up front and twin gas-charged shock absorbers at the rear, offering good damping and control without being too stiff. The ride is plush enough for everyday use but tight enough for spirited weekend rides, and with a curb weight of around 240 kilograms, it handles better than you'd expect, especially for a bike with this kind of visual heft. The brakes are by Brembo, which is a Brembo subsidiary, with a 320mm front disc and a 300mm rear disc, both backed by dual-channel ABS. Brake feel is progressive, and stopping power is confidence-inspiring. Whether you're weaving through traffic or carving through some lazy curves on a mountain road, the Shotgun 650 feels predictable and planted. One of the big surprises is the tech package. No, it's not loaded with rider modes or a TFT screen, but it comes with everything you actually need. There's a semi-digital instrument cluster, combining analog style with digital practicality. You've got a gear indicator, trip meter, fuel gauge, and a neat tripper navigation pod, which syncs with your phone via Bluetooth to provide turn-by-turn directions. It's simple, intuitive, and fits the bike's minimalist aesthetic without feeling stripped down. The ergonomics, well, they nailed it. The rider triangle is neutral and neither fully laid back like a cruiser nor too aggressive like a cafe-copyright racer. It's that perfect middle ground. The foot pegs are slightly forward but not stretched out, and the wide bars give you leverage without feeling like you are doing a shoulder workout. Whether you're 5'7" or 6'2", the shotgun accommodates different sizes without much fuss, and with a seat height of 795 mm, it's accessible for most riders. Let's talk about how it feels on the road, because honestly, that's where the Shotgun 650 really shines. From the moment you thumb the starter, there's a visceral quality to the ride. That parallel twin has character. It doesn't scream, it pulses, it throbs, it wants to move. Low and grunt is great for urban riding. Stoplights, short bursts, and quick overtakes are all handled with ease. On the highway, it'll cruise comfortably at 70–80 miles per hour, and there's enough headroom left for some spirited passes. The bike feels stable and solid, not twitchy. Cornering clearance is decent, and while you won't be dragging knee, you also won't be scraping pegs at every turn. It's predictable, forgiving, and most of all fun. It's not trying to be the fastest or the most advanced bike out there. It's just trying to be the coolest ride in the lot. And you know what? It's succeeding. Now, here's a detail that American riders will appreciate: how Royal Enfield is pricing the 2025 Shotgun 650 starting at around $6,899. Yup, you heard that right. Under $7,000 for a brand new, factory custom bobber with classic good looks, modern reliability, and just enough tech to keep you dialed in. That's an insane value proposition. And when you compare it to other midsize cruisers or custom-inspired bikes on the market like the Harley-Davidson Nightster, Honda Rebel 500, or even the Indian Scout Rogia, the Shotgun undercuts them all while still holding its own in style and quality. Of course, price is just one part of the story. What really sells this bike is the vibe. It's not just transportation, it's a statement. It's for riders who don't want cookie-cutter design, who want something that feels handcrafted without paying the price of a custom shop build. You could roll this thing into a local bike night, and I guarantee you'll get more than a few people coming over to ask, "Hey, what is that?" Another plus is that Royal Enfield is really leaning into the custom scene. They've made the Shotgun super accessory friendly. Want a different seat, bar and mirrors, luggage racks, performance pipes? Enfield has a growing catalog of factory accessories, and the aftermarket is catching on fast. That means you can make the Shotgun your own without voiding warranties or hacking it apart. So who's this bike for? If you're a new rider looking for a stylish, approachable machine that doesn't feel like a beginner bike, this is a killer choice. If you're a returning rider who wants something that mixes nostalgia with modern reliability, the Shotgun will hit the sweet spot. And if you're a seasoned rider who just wants something different, something that stands out and makes every ride feel like an event, you're going to love this. Let's not forget about maintenance. Royal Enfield has come a long way from its older, quirkier days. The 650 engine platform is proven, reliable, and low maintenance. Service intervals are generous, and parts availability in the US is better than ever. You've also got a growing dealer network across North America, so you're not stranded when it comes time for service or support. One of the things I appreciate most about the Shotgun 650 is its honesty. It doesn't try to be a tech marvel. It doesn't try to dazzle you with horsepower. It knows what it is and it owns it. It's a cool, capable bobber that invites you to slow down, soak up the scenery, and enjoy the ride. It's the kind of bike that makes you take the long way home, just because you can. Now, if you're planning to take long-distance trips or load up a ton of gear, there might be better options. The Shotgun is happiest in the city, on weekend rides, and cruising down scenic routes with no destination in mind. That said, you can easily mod it for some light touring if you throw on a small windscreen and some soft panniers. Let's quickly touch on fuel economy. You're looking at about 60 miles per gallon, depending on how heavy your wrist is, with a 3.6-gallon tank that gives you a range of over 200 miles. Which is plenty for day trips and weekend explorations. It's efficient without feeling like you are riding an economy bike. So, final thoughts? The 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 isn't just another motorcycle, it's an experience. It captures the spirit of custom culture, packages it in a reliable platform, and offers it at a price that's downright attractive. Whether you're new to the scene or a longtime rider looking for something fresh, this bike deserves a spot on your radar. Alright, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. If you're as excited about this bike as I am, let me know in the comments. Have you seen one in person? Are you thinking of picking one up? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Active USA Ride Waves, and ring that bell so you never miss a ride review, custom spotlight, or gear breakdown. We've got plenty more content coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, ride safe, stay curious, and never stop exploring. This is your name, signing off from Active USA Ride Waves. See you on the road.